In this video, we will cook this incredibly beautiful, the most delicious of those that you have ever known, a pumpkin salad. To cook the salad for this recipe, we will need the following products: pumpkin, black currant, green radish, sprouted mung beans, green onions, parsley, dill, cilantro, vegetable oil, salt to taste. Cooking process. Please rate this video if you like it, or even if you don't like. Your opinion is very important for me. Stay with us. To subscribe to the channel, click on the circle with my photo in the center of the screen and to the bell to receive notification of the release of new videos at the channel. This is especially true when new videos with gifts and contests for the channel audience appear. See you soon in new videos. Stay with us.